Welcome back to part 2 of Agony Car Teardown. Alright, this is gonna, only reason why I'm tearing it down this far is because it's being repainted next year, so it's gotta go in the purple pond. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, what we're gonna do now is take this the battery out. That's all it is for the battery. It's two little prongs, two holes drilled. We'll grab these two switches out of here. Got the two switches. Which way is this? Okay. Now this slides back up to here somehow. Yep. Slides out of that grease here. That's my interior with the two switches and all that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, well, that's all the lighting. Now, see, this is for the battery, this is for the motor, this is the switch for the motor, and that switch came out of a cell phone. It's that little side switch that you push in. That's where that switch is. It's right there. So, I'm going to take this out. And these are just drinking straws. Saying this cable here is what runs this is a metal tube. What's inside this is an NG tube. But the other part of the switch is there, but this wire is in this tube, this metal tube, and these are just like those little pins that I just pulled out of the back. So what I can do is this NG tube I cut so I can yank this out like this. See? That's all that piece is. One side is part for the switch, the other part gives it the power. This part gives it the power, so this can turn however it wants. It still makes the connection. So, and this what touches those two leads. These two leads right here for the lights. But seeing that we ain't going to do nothing with this, we just want the body. Now these have a slice in them. I just have to find a slice to get these wires out of here. I think this one's on the top. Should be. Pluck that one. Where is this slice on this? There should be but all this has got to come out of here. So for me to paint this car, I'll just pull it through this one. I don't know what the slice is, and I'm not going to deal with it. These are just jumpers from you get them out of anything electronical. And what they go into, I don't have that other part with me, but just the same thing as you get off of a motherboard just to make a connection. I need to take this out of here. See, this is their switch. I got it on a piece of plastic, so it gives it somewhat some stability. So this actual switch is here. It's real thin. That's why this piece of plastic's here, to give it some stability. So that's the switch for the motor. It used to be in the carburetors, but the plastic ain't sturdy enough to handle it. The plastic wore out. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but down in there, there's a tubing that holds the radiator in place. And that's it. All I gotta do is take the glass out of it. Take these out. What I'll do is I'll tape all this off. Oh, this piece is just a nut from a cell phone. Right there. And that's about it. This car is ready to get taped off and resprayed. Because this is back when I was using an airbrush, and it didn't come out as well as I thought it would. So it's time for it to get a new paint job. But thanks for tuning in. And that's it for this. So thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for all the comments. Bye bye.